Hello. Thanks for coming. Yes, indeed, here we have another Commodore 64. How do I know that? Because, well, the logo is missing. But, somebody has written on it, Commodore 64, or C64. Somebody has. Now this one says, works, odd, board PLA, keyboard a bit dirty, said shipped it. Well, I suppose we should open it up. I can tell already it's a non-traditional screw. Whoa, that was close. But you know, as these were opened up quite a bit, the plastic might break on the little towers, and a bigger screw might be required. Oh, well. The only chips that are socketed seem to be the PLA and the video chip. So, with that said, there's not a whole bunch that can be done at this stage of triage. So let's just see what comes up. Commodore 64. Looks pretty good. So I guess I must have put a PLA chip in this. I also note the cover for the video chip is not there, which is not, well, it is, I mean, heat is the enemy. Heat is the enemy. So, maybe I'll reach down into my bin of machines that need attention. Because this one, well, yeah, this one seems to be okay. I mean, if it's just got a wonky SID chip, I can deal with that later. I wouldn't put it, oh! Alright, yeah, well there's no video chip now. Alright. We will put this on. Because heat dissipation is a good thing. Penny has returned. She is rubbing against my leg. Hello, Penny. Where'd you go? There's Penny. Hi, Penny. Alright, so it said, I believe, that the SID chip was bad. So I will not be surprised when I hear nothing. By the way, if you hear that smoke detector, many people have mentioned it. Oh, yep. So it just went through the test. Not a sound. So it seems that what I reported before is correct. But I am going to put this on to dissipate the heat. Now there's not much else I can do. The machine works. I see perhaps evidence that maybe this doesn't fit quite right. But then maybe it does. No, it does. Alright, so we'll put the keyboard back on. We'll close it up. find a more traditional screw. Fasten it. Except I believe it doesn't fasten it. That, yep, it doesn't. Okay. That could be why it had a longer screw. And now, it doesn't want to come out. There we go. So, we'll go back. To the original. Oops. And then we'll update the documentation. There's not much because there's not much to add. Works. I'm not sure what odd means. 2019. So chip dead. Oh. Keyboard over 30. Yeah, probably so. I'm just going to say added. Recovered for the video chip. Oh, let's have a look. No, we don't need to look. Anyway, so there we have it. Another working Commodore 64. Life is good. Thank you very much for popping in. Stay tuned. There will always be more. And, you know, once again, if you're not comfortable doing what I'm doing here, don't do it. But I hope maybe watching some of the shows that they're not as mysterious and scary as you might thought, except for monitors. Don't touch a monitor unless you really know what you're doing. And we will continue. Questions and comments are always welcome. I'm going to look at something else in the next episode. Bye for now.